Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some beautiful rustic farmhouse decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Rustic farmhouse decor is a warm, cozy interior style that blends the charm of old countryside homes with simple, natural, and practical design. It focuses on creating a space that feels lived in, welcoming, and connected to nature. Rustic farmhouse decor is all about comfort over perfection, simplicity over luxury, charm over trendiness. It creates a home that feels relaxed, cozy, and full of character, like a peaceful countryside retreat. The philosophy behind rustic farmhouse decor. This style is inspired by old rural homes, where everything was handmade, practical, built to last. Nothing was purely decorative, every item had a purpose. Today, we recreate that feeling by mixing function plus beauty plus history. Materials and finishes. What makes it rustic? Rustic farmhouses stand out because materials are raw and imperfect. Reclaimed tooth with knots, cracks, and grain texture. Distressed finishes. Paint that look chipped or aged, or the iron or matte black metal for contrast. Natural stone or clay elements. The more natural and slightly imperfect, the better. Furniture style heavy, honest, and timeless. Furniture in rustic farmhouse decor feels solid and grounded, thick oud, chunky shapes. Slightly voided or vintage, often neutral colored or wood toned. Examples: farmhouse dining table with visible wood grain. Open wooden shelving instead of modern cabinets. Wooden benches instead of formal chairs. Layering textures, the secret to coziness. To avoid the space feeling plain, textures are layered. Use crochet pages, linen curtains, jute or oven rugs, knitted shawls and cushions. This mix creates that soft, cozy farmhouse feel. Take out details that make a big difference. Small elements bring the style to life. Use vintage style jars, baskets, and trays. Use wooden cutting boards displayed on counters, old style lanterns or candle holders, wall art with simple quotes or nature theme. Next, color approach. Soft but warm. Unlike modern styles, rustic farmhouse uses muted, comforting colors. Base, white, cream, beige, and soft gray. Accents, shoes green, dusty blue, muted red, and warm brown. Colors should feel calm, not bold or shiny. Rustic farmhouse kitchen. Use open shelves with neatly arranged platters and chairs, hanging utensils or mugs for a lived-in look, wooden trays and spice racks. Mix of old and new, modern appliances plus rustic decor. Modern rustic farmhouse twist. Today, many homes blend rustic farmhouse with modern touches. Use cleaner layouts, fewer decoration, but still cozy. Mix of grey or white kitchens plus wooden rustic accents. This could work perfectly with your grey and white kitchen plus your exciting warm colors. Common mistakes to avoid: over-decorating. Too many items can look cluttered. Using shiny or plastic materials, making everything look too new. You need some edged charm. A well-done rustic farmhouse home should feel like you can relax instantly. Everything is warm and welcoming. It tells a quiet story of comfort, tradition, and simplicity. How to create an authentic rustic farmhouse look? Collected over time, styling. A true rustic farmhouse home never looks newly decorated in one day. Mix old plus new pieces. Combine different wood tones instead of matching everything. Add items that feel like they have a story. Even handmade items work beautifully. The goal: your home should feel layered and personal, not like a showroom. Wood tones and balance, very important. Many people make the mistake of using only on wood color. Instead, mix light wood like oak, plus dark wood like walnut, plus faded gray wood. Keep one tone dominant and use others as accents. This creates richness and depth. Smart storage, rustic plus practical. Rustic farmhouse decor is always functional. Use open baskets for storage, like vegetables, towels, etc. Use wooden crates as shelves and organizers. Glass jars for pantry items. Everything should be both useful and beautiful. Seasonal rustic styling. One beautiful thing about this style is how easily it changes with seasons. Spring, use fresh flowers, light fabrics, and pastel accents. For summer, use greenery, simple decor, and airy look. For autumn, use warm tone, jade flowers, and pumpkins. For winter, use cozy layers, candles, and thicker textiles. You don't change everything, just small touches. Lighting creates the mood. Lighting is a big part of rustic farmhouse charm. Warm, soft lighting, never harsh white light. Painted lights with metal or wood finishes. Use lantern-style lights or candles. Warm lighting equal instant cozy farmhouse feel. Handmade and DIY touches. Rustic farmhouse decor loves handmade items like crochet cushion covers, handmade table runners, knitted or woven wall hangings, DIY sign. Handmade pieces make your home feel unique and heartfelt. Focal points make one area stand out. Every rustic farmhouse space should have a highlight. Examples: wooden dining table, open kitchen shelves, a decorated coffee corner, a vintage-style cabinet. Keep the rest simple so this area shines. Advanced mistakes to avoid: making everything too perfect or symmetrical, using too many fake rustic items, cheap looking decor, ignoring comfort. Style should never feel stiff. The real secret: rustic farmhouse decor is not about copying ideas, it is about creating a space that feels warm, lived in, personal, and peaceful. It should feel like a home where people gather, relax, and enjoy simple moments. The imperfect beauty principle. At the heart of rustic farmhouse decor is this idea: nothing should look too perfect. Slightly chipped paint equal character, uneven wood grain equal beauty, faded colors equal warmth. This imperfection is what makes the space feel real and comforting, not artificial. Layout and space planning often overlooked. Rustic farmhouse spaces are designed to feel open and easy to move in. Avoid overcrowding furniture. Leave breathing space between items. Focus on natural flow, especially in kitchens. Even small spaces can feel bigger if you keep things simple and intentional. Signature rustic pieces, statement items. Instead of many small decorations, invest in a few storage spaces: a large wooden farmhouse table, a vintage-style cupboard or hut, open wooden shelving, rustic paints or tools. The spaces define the style instantly. The power of everyday items as decor. In rustic farmhouse style, normal household items become decoration. Cutting boards displays on the counter, hanging mugs or utensils, glass jars filled with grains or spices, folded linens on open shelves. This keeps the space both practical and beautiful. Bringing nature indoors, layered not basic. Go beyond just adding a plant. Mix fresh plants, plus jarred flowers plus branches. Use clay pots, metal buckets, or oven baskets. Add herbs in the kitchen, both useful and decorative. Nature adds life and softness to rustic spaces. Wall treatment ideas. Walls in rustic farmhouse decor are never boring. Shiplap or wooden paneling, or a similar look. Use neutral paint with a slightly matte finish. Simple wall art like botanical prints and farmhouse coats. Vintage frames or handmade crafts. Keep all simple but textured. Textile styling. Layer like a pro. Instead of placing items randomly, layer textiles intentionally. Base. Use neutral rug. Add patterned cushions. Finish soft throws or crochet beads. 2 to 3 layers are enough. Don't overdo it. Kitchen styling formula easy to follow. For a rustic farmhouse kitchen, follow this simple balance: 60% functional items like jars, utensils, and trays, 30% natural elements like plants, wood, and baskets, 10% decorative accents like small vintage peaches. This keeps your kitchen from looking cluttered. Creating a story corner. A beautiful rustic farmhouse trick. Pick on a small area and tell a story with it. A tree with a candle, a small plant, and a book. A shelf with chairs, a basket, and a framed photo. A coffee corner with mugs, sugar jar, and a tray. These little corners make your home feel alive. Budget-friendly rustic ideas. You don't need expensive decor. Use old chairs as storage. Turn wooden boxes into shelves. Use fabric scarves or table runners. DIY crochet decor. Rustic farmhouse is actually one of the most budget-friendly styles. Final layer. What makes it stand out? What separates a basic rustic look from a beautiful one? Thoughtful placement, not random clutter. Balance between empty space and decor. Personal handmade touches. Warm, cozy feeling when you walk in. The feeling it creates. Design physiology. Rustic farmhouse decor works because it taps into emotions. Warmth, soft colors plus natural materials make you feel relaxed. Security. Heavy wood furniture feels stable and grounding. Nostalgia. Vintage items remind us of simpler times. Comfort. Layered textures make spaces feel safe and cozy. That is why this style never goes out of trend. It is emotional, not just visual. Mixing rustic farmhouse with other styles to keep your home modern and fresh. You can blend styles, rustic plus modern, clean white or grey base. Add rustic wood and texture. This keeps things simple but cozy, great for your grey kitchen. Rustic plus cottage. Softer colors, floral patterns, light fabrics, more romantic and delicate feel. Rustic plus vintage. Add antiques, distressed finishes, old style decor, strong nostalgic charm. Mixing styles makes your home feel personal, not copied. Finishing details that make a big impact. Hardware and fixture, small things matter a lot. Matte black or antique brass handles, simple slightly used finishes, avoid shiny modern chrome. Edged and shapes. Rustic farmhouse prefers soft rounded edged, slightly bulky or chunky shapes. Avoid ultra sleek, sharp modern designs. Scents and atmosphere often ignored. A true rustic home also smells cozy. Use natural scents like vanilla, cinnamon, or oud. Fresh herbs in the kitchen. It completes the whole experience. Decluttering the rustic way. Rustic doesn't mean messy. Follow this rule. Decorate with purpose. Keep only items you use or love. Group items instead of spreading them everywhere. Leave some empty space for balance. Room by room rustic identity. Kitchen. Practical plus warm. Open shelves, chairs, and wood accents. For living room. Soft plus layered. Use cushions, shelves, and firm lighting. Bedroom. Calm plus simple. Use light colors, soft fabrics, and minimal decor. Each room keeps the same style but slightly different mood. Subtle mistakes, even pros avoid. Matching everything too perfectly. Use too many sign or text decor. Ignoring lighting warmth. Overfill shelves. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.